So, here we are. What day is it? It's Thursday.
Yes, sir.
Me and Mike are heading up on Hell's Revenge. We got to go get a side-by-side. It is up in... It's either in Mickey's hot tub or next to Mickey's hot tub. They said they might winch it out of there, but the steering rack, I guess, is broke. The U-joint on the steering column snapped. We got the trailer behind us. We're going to go up there, see if it'll fit on the trailer. If not, we'll leave the trailer and just hook up onto it and bring it out. All right. That's the place to hide it, right?
Oh yeah, that is sneaky.
You don't see it, nothing.
Yeah, it just tucked in a little hole over there. So Mickey's hot tub is hiding just right over there. We're gonna set this trailer for a minute while we winch the disabled vehicle out of the hot tub. And we'll come back for you. You'd be good. Don't talk to any other trailers. just behave.
Don't want you socializing with those bad trailers.
Right.
Let's be honest. It's my trailer. It's probably the bad influence.
Right. But yeah, apparently the steering gear has broken, so we shall see. Definitely a lot of upgraded parts on here.
Right? They said to the steering, oh yeah, right there.
Oh wow, yeah, the column.
There's no more
attachment.
No more pieces. Okay. So here's this one pulling, and then this one will keep the metal piece away from here. So we'll hook on there so we can lift and pull at the same time.
I get it, okay.
So let me run that other line down to you.
It's like rappelling, but different.
But I'm going next to the hole.
Right.
Okay, give me 1 second because I'm going to raise the boom up.
Okay. Oh no, we got it.
Okay.
All right, we got neutral.
Foot on the brake.
Foot is on the brake.
And you are in neutral.
We are in neutral. Oh, that doesn't do anything. Man, these hats are really useful. Yeah, you can get yours at Trailmater.com.
Okay, Mike, ready?
I am ready.
Little tension on the brakes.
Okay.
Okay, now that we've got it up here, we can turn the wheels and back it up right here, then go get the trailer.
Okay.
So the keys should be in the glove box.
Okay.
Keep going. Keep going. Okay, keep going.
Keep going?
Yeah. Let her roll.
Keep going?
Yeah. Right there. Yeah.
Park it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Just so you know, it has a parking brake thing, and I put it on.
Okay.
It's a nice looking machine.
Let me slow the disaster, not just. Mike's like, I'm out.
Yeah, no, I'm going behind it.
Okay, push forward a little.
Okay.
Oh.
There we go. Not so bad. Yeah, we were a little worried about it getting some momentum and
Yeeting right into the truck.
right.
Hop in her, fire it up, let it warm up a little.
Okay, we're in neutral.
Okay, be ready on the brakes.
Okay.
Yeah, easy forward.
Okay.
Okay, put it in park.
All right.
It's gonna be interesting because
Wow, these are big tires.
37s.
37s on a side-by-side. Wowzers.
I wonder why stuff breaks.
Can't imagine.
No idea. Okay, go. We'll let her shake for a minute and then we will reassess.
We got 2 straps going down, pulling the machine down to this bar. We got 2 more straps, kind of keeping it centered so it won't fall off of there. And we got these guys up front here, kind of doing a similar job. And we also have these over the tires. Our ramps might rub on a few things, but they'll be okay. And here we go. You're good on this side.
Yeah, I'm not going to drive the front tire.
No, you can turn as much as you want. So we're coming up on the dragon's tail. So when you're towing something heavy down a real steep hill, what's the magic?
On this, when I'm doing it with this one, I run double low and try to let the engine do a lot of the braking and just apply enough to kind of not let it rev up, but not try to rely solely on the brakes stopping everything.
Right.
Let the engine braking with it in 4-wheel drive. So we've got all the tires grabbing and everything. So the biggest thing with that is when you're coming down like that, the last thing you want to do is try and stop.
Right.
Because when that much weight is pushing you, that's when the back end could push over or something like that. You could get all sideways and screwy. It's best to just let it go and just do the control. That's why I'm saying don't push the brakes really hard.
Right.
Because you don't want to try and stop it. Don't try and stop it because you're not going to. Gravity always wins.
Yep.
So sliding tire does not do any good.
Revenge can be a very popular trail at times. Today is one of those times. Doggy. So we are here at Moab side-by-side garage. If you like dogs, so do they. What's up, puppy?
Hey, so there we are. Everything went pretty smooth. That was about the perfect size for the trailer. I mean, on the limits of the perfect size for the trailer. But we got it down here, Moab side-by-side. They're going to get it fixed and get them back out on the trail. So, sweet. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yep, there she is.